I quickly want to give you the answer to the problem we were going over today while you still may have it in your head. The problem was number 17 in your workbook in the practice section for 13-3. And the question was, if you have 18 different balls in a bag, how many different ways can you choose a specified group of 5? And the order that you pick them out in doesn't matter. So the way you write that is by saying 18, choose 5, and we use the C to indicate that order doesn't matter. If order mattered, we would say 18P5 for permutation. And the thing is, if I chose them and counted all the different ways I could choose 5 balls, and I counted each ordered set differently. In other words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I count each one of those differently, well, that's too many. Because the truth is, no matter how many ways I can pick them, it counts as one way to win. So in order to deal with that, I have to take this number and divide it by how many different ways can I change the order of 5 things. That's 5 things where order matters, and I'm choosing 5 of them. Now, permutation, it's easy enough to think about. If I have 18 things and I'm going to choose 5, there's 18 ways to choose the first one, 17 ways to choose the second one, 16 ways to choose the third one, 15 ways to choose the fourth one, and 14 ways to choose the last one. Here, if I only have 5 and I'm looking to arrange them in 5 different ways, I have 5 ways to pick the first one, 4 ways to pick the second, 3 ways to pick the third, 2 ways to pick the fourth, and only 1 ball left for the 5th. And this, if I multiply these numbers together, are all the different possible solutions here. Now, before we go ahead and multiply these numbers together, let's just quickly take away factors. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So when I reduce this, this number becomes 2 times 14 times 17 times 18. That's the number of ways I can choose 5 balls out of 18 where order doesn't matter. Now, how many different ways can I choose the winning combination of balls? Well, we just did that. We said that since there are 5 of them, I would have a choice of 5 for the first one. I'd have to pick one of the remaining 4 for the next one, then 3, then 2, then 1, and multiply those things together. Now again, I don't want to do more than I have to do here. Now let's see how much I can simplify this. I can take a 2 out and a 2 out here. I can take a 2 out of this and a 2 out of this. And I can take a 3 away from here and an 18 away from here and get 6. So now what do I have left? I have 10 over 17 times 6 times 7, 714. And no, I didn't do that in my head. This can be reduced to 5 over 357. And let's just see what the calculator gives us. We have 5 divided by 3, 5, 7. And that gives us 0.014. And that is the answer to the problem.